I don't know what my past life was like. I'd love to find out though, maybe one day I will. Did you guys just call me a Monka? I quite like that nickname. Do you guys have any more suggestions for my nickname? I like Monka W. Monka. Monka W is a good nickname.
Hey! Vsauce?
What does a bear sound like? It doesn't really sound like a bear, it just sounds like a really loud snore. What does a bear sound like? It sounds like a really loud snore. Of course I can make someone like you. I'll make you right now. Slaps Rita. I'm not scared of any of you. I'm not scared of any of you. Even you Lavisharky 257. I'm braver than you are, Lavisharky 257. I don't think I've made you all scared enough yet, runs away laughing.